Hi, everybody. My name is Kayla Ramey, and I'm the Outreach Program Coordinator for the Employer Engagement and Experiential Learning Office here at Columbus State. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the engineering, manufacturing, and engineering technology programs and pathways here at Columbus State. So, in the engineering, manufacturing, and engineering technology pathway, students can study automotive technology, aviation maintenance, civil engineering, and multiple types of engineering technology. These degrees prepare students to join the workforce with a 2-year degree, certifications, or to transfer to further education, and we're going to kind of dive into all of that today. So engineering technology as an overview, we're going to talk about transportation maintenance industry, manufacturing, adjacent majors within the pathway, engineering transfer, and benefits of this degree field. So first, we're going to talk about aviation maintenance tech. Aviation maintenance technician training is really a door to opportunity for aircraft mechanic jobs and related fields. Columbus State provides training for certification as an airframe and power plant maintenance technician. So if you have an interest in aviation and want to learn more about that, the website is there for you. Automotive technology degree is designed to give students a broad overview of the fundamentals and skills necessary for maintenance, diagnosis, and repair of cars and light trucks. So you can learn more about that program as well at the link below. So the next section we're going to talk about within this major pathway is manufacturing industry. So that includes our electronic, electromechanical, mechanical, and logistics engineering technology majors. So the first three are more aligned with the manufacturing pathway, and the logistics engineering technology program is a little bit more aligned with the distribution pathway. The first three are looking at manufacturing. How do we create a good? What is the process? And then the distribution pathway with logistics looks at more, okay, we've made this good, now how do we get it where it needs to go? So it combines a little bit more of business and STEM. With these four pathways, we do have an incredible opportunity, which is called the Modern Manufacturing Work Study Program. This is the program that I actually coordinate, and so I would love to talk all day about it, but I'm just going to give you a brief blurb here. And if you have a deeper interest in the program, we actually have a full video dedicated to the Modern Manufacturing Work Study Program I would love for you to check out. So the Modern Manufacturing Work Study Program at Columbus State takes you from a college student to experienced professional in just 2 years or 5 semesters. The program combines classroom and lab learning with paid work study position, providing on-the-job training at an industry partner. This means you graduate career-ready in the field of engineering technology, and you also have 1 year of work experience under your belt. 85% of those students are also landing in full-time positions right out of their work study. So it's an awesome opportunity here at Columbus State, especially if one of those 4 majors is something that interests you. So if you have an interest in that, I highly recommend you check out that additional video. So there are 4 adjacent majors as well within this pathway that I felt would be important to kind of address and that a lot of students have an interest in. As we talk about these 4, if you have any questions or want to learn more, definitely contact the Design, Construction, and Trades Department, and that's construct@cscc.edu. So the first is architecture. This program aims to prepare students for meaningful work in the profession and awards an Associates of Applied Science in Architecture degree. There are also 3 certificate programs offered within this area that I recommend checking out. Civil engineering is another. Civil engineering technology historically stems from the term given by the military to the civilian engineers who develop roads, bridges, and fortifications for the Army. Today, civil engineering technology has broadened to encompass the planning, design, construction, and operation of all the aspects of modern infrastructure. So if you have an interest in either of those fields, like I said, reach out to construct@cscc.edu. The other 2 that go with these adjacent majors are environmental science, safety, and health. So this program was established to provide the skills necessary for a variety of careers in environmental industry and safety profession. So the curriculum is very broad, with many courses emphasizing environmental science, engineering, and regulations. Systems engineering is the last one that we're going to talk about, and systems engineering transfer major is intended to provide students with the first 2 years of required coursework for Otterbein University's Bachelor of Science in Systems Engineering. Systems engineering is a study of combination of mechanical, electrical, and industrial engineering concepts. So now we're going to talk about the Engineering Transfer Associate of Science degree. So the Associates of Science degree fulfills general education requirements and prerequisite courses toward an engineering major at a 4-year school. So it's often called a 2-year degree because it's about 61 credit hours, which is about half of a 4-year bachelor degree, usually 121 hours plus. Based on writing and math placement, students might take longer to finish Associates of Science degree. 2 years at Columbus State and then 2 years at a transfer school doesn't normally happen. Many factors kind of contribute to it taking longer than 4 years total to finish a bachelor's degree, and that's pretty normal. It is important, though, to check with the school you plan to attend. While most four-year schools require the same academic categories, so writing, math, science, history, the major departments can sometimes have unique requirements, such as courses that have to be taken at their institution to enter into the major. So you can't get into that major unless you've taken that course at that institution. So you always want to check with the institution you plan to attend prior to registering for courses through the Associates of Science degree. The main benefit of the Associates of Science degree is that it allows students to take the same type of courses they would take at a four-year school, so their freshman and sophomore years, and then transfer to fulfill those requirements on the four-year degree. Most courses have prerequisites, and you have to meet the minimum requirement to take that course. So this is really a strong benefit to many students planning to transfer to that four-year institution. So other benefits of the associate's degree, one being flexibility of transfer, meaning the courses will basically transfer to any accredited four-year school that's both in and out of state. It allows students to make progress toward the four-year degree, and if they change their mind on the major or career, they won't necessarily be behind. This depends on various factors, but you're fulfilling those general education requirements, which more than likely will transfer to schools in and out of state, like we said before. So what does this Associates of Science degree not do? The Associates of Science degree does not train a student to do anything immediately to move into a job or career. So that's the main difference between the Associates of Science Engineering Technology degree programs. You're not training directly to move into a career. You're training to move forward in this degree program to a four-year institution, where those engineering technology degree programs like the manufacturing work study we were talking about are helping you move right into a job making $50,000 to $60,000 a year right out of school. So again, a two-year associate's degree can help with getting entry-level positions compared to someone without a two-year degree, but it is not providing job skill and training or preparation. So finally, a strong recommendation is to research the specific admission requirements of the institution major department. Wherever you're planning to go, research the requirements that institution's major department requires. Entry into the institution is usually less than what it takes to get into an engineering major. So you want to definitely look into that major specifically. If you have any questions, there's a contact down below for you, and we'll go over some more contact information at the end of this presentation as well. So there are three large degree field benefits that I really just wanted to recap and highlight. So first, students are receiving a quick entry into an in-demand industry. They are receiving an applied education using standard industrial equipment and emerging new technologies. They have the ability to continue their education with transfer to four-year programs in engineering technology at multiple partner institutions statewide. So thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this presentation and to learn more about this pathway. If you have questions, contact broken out by major is on the screen. We would love to talk to you. Like I said, I encourage you to go watch the Modern Manufacturing Work Study video and continue to engage with us here at Columbus State. Thank you.